Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I upload every other week. So today's vlog is why filming is so important. So I'm just gonna talk about it in my own words, in my own opinion, like why, like if you're filming a YouTube video important or a regular like content video, like basically like helping people like that. So the reason why filming is so important, especially if you are filming like a video. So for example, you want to make sure you have good audio, you have to have good lighting. You want to make sure you're sitting nice and tall, or if you're standing, however you're going to film your video, you want to make sure you're looking on the camera so people can kind of look at you. And you want to make sure you're somebody that's relaxed and you're not like cutting out. Like most of the time when I was filming on my camera and I'm getting comments saying that I'm cutting out. And it's not like say I want to cut out, but sometimes there's disconnection and sometimes you gotta fix that. So filming is like a practice, okay? Like for example, if you don't want to do a regular YouTube video, or if you are doing like a regular like content video, you want to make sure you're somebody that you're in a place where you feel comfortable, you're being yourself, and nobody doesn't have to tell you if you're doing right or you're doing wrong. Like it does not matter what you do. And filming a video is like the most important thing, especially if people are watching you right now. They can kind of see like, oh, you know, she's doing this, oh, he's doing that, blah 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 blah, and so forth. And the reason why filming is important is because it's like you're practicing. Like even though I'm on YouTube and I like to do regular videos, it's basically practicing. I've been making videos like say about close to say 8 years, and you know it's amazing that I'm a type of person that likes to make content, like to make videos, and like to just be me. And you don't have to worry depending on how you're filming. If you're filming like a regular video, it's fine. But if it's like a YouTube video, you gotta be super serious because you have to pay attention for what you're saying, what you should not say, and whatever. Okay? So I think for me, filming is practice. You want to make sure if you're filming, you want to make sure you have good lighting, good audio. You're sitting in a position how you're comfortable with, and you want to make sure like your audience are kind of understand what you're saying. You want to make sure you have good audience, and if anybody who's watching you, then you know they can look back and like, oh, this person likes this, oh, this person likes that, and all that stuff. So I remember I may have said on my channel that the goals that I want to work on, and I did mention audio, lighting, and all that stuff, which that's a thing that I want to work on. And I know a lot of us might think, oh, this is not going to work, oh, this is not going to be right, and all that stuff, okay? But other than that, I'm not going to make this too long. I just wanted to say my advice, if you're somebody that wants to be a YouTuber, you want to make sure you're serious with it, you're confident with it, and you feel comfortable without feeling ashamed or anybody laughing at you. Like right now I'm on YouTube. Yes, people put negative comments, but I'm not gonna let people put me down. No, I'm gonna lift myself up and I keep going. Just like I had a comment that someone was saying that I inspired them, and other subscribers kind of agree. So I feel amazed that I can do this and I can help somebody and, you know, not feel aware. Okay? So, other than that, I hope you guys do get something out of this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you get something out of this, I hope you did. You know, this is just something for you guys to feel comfortable and be yourself without worrying if a person's laughing at you, because you know many times we might feel like, oh, I don't think I'm gonna do this right, or oh, I don't think I'm gonna be okay. But other than that, filming is just practice. Filming can be a beginner. You know, however you want to film your video. If it's like a YouTube video, you gotta be really serious with it. If it's like a regular video, you just do that, okay? But yeah, other than that, if you guys get something out of this video, you can comment down below if you like this is good. If there's any comment that you agree to this or you don't, you know, let me know in the comments. But other than that, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below or like the video if you think I did okay, and if you get good advice from this video, I hope you do. And if I'm gonna say this without feeling worried, okay? This is just for anybody. If you are planning to start like a YouTube channel, like I said, the first thing is practice making your own videos on your phone, because that's how I got my confidence. I started making videos like long time ago, and now I'm on here making YouTube videos, and I'm so happy that you guys love what I do. So other than that, I'm gonna end this video right here, and I cannot wait to see you guys for more vlogs and more videos, okay? Oh yeah, stay tuned for my tomorrow's video, okay? And then maybe I'll post this one 3 days, okay? Bye.